Hello YouTube, this is a short update on my CAN V-Gauge. I did add 2 new screens to it, to the code, and updated some bitmaps. One of the bitmaps is the oil can. Before it looked like a teapot or Aladdin's wonder lamp. So now it looks like more old-fashioned oil can. Before I forget, I had a viewer ask me how my name gets pronounced. In Turkish it's Hayri, and in English you would say Hayri. So that is how my name is getting pronounced. I do it again. So in Turkish it would be Hayri, and in English you would say Hayri. So that was that. So apart from the oil can, I did add, let me get to it, catalytic converter temperature gauge, bank 1 and bank 2. And here's a small logo of the catalytic converter, how the heat is coming up of. So this also works with Fahrenheit, of course. And the second screen is an oxygen sensor voltmeter. And here you have, let me zoom in a little bit through the phone. No, it works really rather nice. So here you have I have a V6, so it's a V6 engine, that's the transmission, and those are the catalytic converters. Maybe I should find something thinner to show. These are the 2 catalytic converters, and here are the oxygen sensors. This is upstream, this is downstream, and they show the voltage right now. Since I don't have it on my simulator, it's showing 0, but normally it does show the voltage range. And on my engine, cylinder 1 is on the top right. This would be the car front, obviously. And I might add a fan here if I can do it. So anyhow, this would be wherever your cylinder, the first cylinder is bank 1, and this would be bank 2, obviously. And I might change this around also, so I have bank 1 here and bank 2 over here, so it will match this one here. Anyhow, I will be able to make this into a V8, obviously, no problem. And I could do it in a straight 4 or straight 6 engine bitmap, so that is not a problem. And I do have the carbon fiber fronts coming in this week. They are in Holland right now, and they should get on the way tomorrow, Monday. So as soon as I have that, I can finally put the carbon fiber front of this on this, and I will be ready to sell them. These will be made to order, and I'm also waiting on a reply from Crowd Supply, and hopefully that will go through, and I will put the CAN Gauge Micro on Crowd Supply. This will be later on. I don't know if I'm gonna put it up there or sell it like this, but this is it. If you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and if you think somebody would be interested in you that you know, please share a link. It would tremendously help me. And I really like this. So anyhow, like I said, if you have questions, please leave them in the comments. If you wanna get something, then please ask me. And thanks for watching, and take care, everybody.